Oh, nice turn signal. DT Rider here with Dimsum today. We're headed down to Mathews, Harley Davidson of Fresno, rolling down there on 2 Yamahas. We're gonna go check out the new Harley Davidson, the 2008 Softail lineup. Pretty interested in seeing the Fat Bob. I know a lot of people don't like it, but at least it's something different from Harley. I'm pretty excited about it. Everything I've seen on YouTube as far as reviews, test rides, it's all been positive. They're having like an open house today. I'm gonna roll through there, see what's up. I don't think they're gonna be doing test rides today, but I will definitely be jumping on that bike when they do a test ride. I wish I was rolling down there on the Harley right now, but the sports store is still down and out. I got all the parts for it. I got a new headlight, new turn signals. I just haven't had the time to put the shit on yet. I'm in the process of actually moving out of my house, so my garage is completely packed full of everything in my house, and the bikes are just covered. I don't have any room to work on anything. Well, hopefully my house is going to be going in escrow very soon. I will be moving preferably to a house that has a shop. I haven't been able to make any bids on any houses yet. I've been waiting to sell my house. I'm going to go up next week to look at some more houses, and my house should be in escrow. I can put some bids on some new houses. Moving is a freaking pain in the ass. I declutter the shit out of my house and just throw everything in the garage, get it all ready for open houses and everything. Finally got a bid. Moving forward. Gonna move out of the city and up to the hills, buy a house with some acreage, a shop. Nice to find a house with a shop on it for the bikes. We'll see. I'll keep updated on that. Maybe I could put one of these new Harleys in the garage there. That would be nice. If you follow Harley Davidson, you have seen the new model. So what is your thoughts on those? I kind of like the Fat Bob, and then the front headlight is a little strange, but it doesn't look like a Harley, and that's why I like it. It's something different. At least they're trying something different and changing shit up. So it's cool. I just can't wait to get on one and test ride it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Mathews Harley Davidson is right down there. They got a pretty cool store here. Upstairs they got a big Harley museum. Check all that stuff out. Alright guys, so that was Mathews Harley Davidson of Fresno. Hope you guys enjoyed that. They got an awesome showroom, an amazing Harley Davidson museum. Now, me and Dimsum are gonna go grab a bite to eat. So if you guys enjoyed that shop, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Later!